Hey guys, Keithy6 here in Fairbanks, Alaska. Yesterday was Christmas and we had a winter storm warning throughout the whole day and last night. They were calling up to 18 to 20 inches of heavy snow. Plus on top of that, up to an inch thick of ice and freezing rain. So we came home last night and the snow was already deep. So I haven't looked outside yet. Let's go look outside and see how much snow we got last night. And on top of that, they're calling for 4 to 8 more inches today. And the next couple hours, it's supposed to be 100% chance of freezing rain. So let's go look outside. And by the way, it's 34 degrees above zero. Crazy weather here. Everything should be melting, but of course it's not. All right, let's look outside. Oh, wow. All of this was clear. That's a couple feet. I guess it's time to break out the snow blower. All right, so I cannot believe that it snowed that much last night. Wow, let's go take a look out in the backyard. Look how high that's piled up. I had all these cleared off. So high, Bo can look over the fence. And it is raining right now. Yeah, it is raining. Wow. That's all gonna freeze. We'll be lucky if our power doesn't go off. And it's definitely gonna make the roads crazy. All right, guys, you enjoy, don't get wet. All right, so I'm gonna open the garage door and take a look out into my driveway and see how much snow I need to blow out of there with my snow blower. All right, so my grandson Adam just showed up and it's pouring the rain down and he didn't quite get it all the way in the driveway. Check that out. Man, it is raining. Everything is... I got water. Let's go get the snow blower and get rid of some of this stuff.
I went back and I saw your snow blower. It was way in there.
Well, I just dug out the gate entrance and look at that. It's almost like 2 feet thick. All right, so let's go over here and get the snow blower. Snow's all wet and heavy. Look how deep it is just to get in there. Well, my snow blower ran out of gas, so these two muscle-bound teenagers are going to shovel some snow. Show me them muscles. Now me and Joe's taking a break and we're soaking wet. And this is all we've gotten done so far. We got to dig Adam's car out so he can go get gas for the snowblower. So we're going to try to pull his car in here. You ready, Joe? Oh, this is horrible. Yeah. All right, so we had some neighbors come over and help, and we got Adam's car out of the road. Well, this is what I was worried about. The power went off because of all that heavy freezing rain, and now we're sitting here with no power waiting for it to come back on. Thank goodness it's not 30 below, it's 30 above. Power's out everywhere. Hey, Moose. And it's still raining. sit here and try to stay warm until the power comes back on. Joe's keeping busy eating. I'm coming out behind you.
I know.
All right, so Adam and Joe are going to try to drive home because now all this rain that is freezing. Man, that's nothing but ice. Oh, look at my thing. Oh, the power went out. That's why they deflated. The power went out. Of course I'm recording it. He's trying to get in the car and he says he's wading through water. Oh, look at go. Oh no. Oh. You better get in the car. I don't know if they're going to be able to get out of here or not. Guess we'll watch and see. I'm expecting them to back up into the road, and then they're going to get hung up. And then we're going to have to push them forward. It is just nasty out here. You hear all that water? And it's supposed to rain up until like midnight, and then it's going to turn all back to snow, and then it's going to be like single digits by the evening tomorrow. The truck's even having a hard time. There you can see how hard it's raining. Whoa! That was reversed. Whoa, don't run me over. Nope, you're going to... Good grief. Be careful. Well, he spun that thing sideways to get it out of there. Keep it going. Hopefully the main road's better. All right, so we're waiting for the power to come back on. Huh, Moose? Well, I was just breaking out the buddy heaters, and the power just came back on. So, all right. Hopefully it stays on so we can stay warm. Now you guys smell like wet dogs. Come on, let's go. The next day after the storm, it looks like they worked on the roads, but it's still a sheet of ice. Good thing they threw some gravel down. And there was a moose standing. Whoa! Almost drove off the road.